here you have lawnmower and tractor bucket and all. An extra room for more attachments, all in one. So this is really different. You have that lower deck. This is a Kioti SL2410. Look at the front end. So you have your bucket here to get rid of your snow, and you got your deck to get rid of your grass. This is all of it. Isn't that neat? Look at that. Oh, you got all your hydraulics here. Wow. Okay, I don't know what features you're gonna have. Really nice with all your lights and everything. Safety bar. I wish they would put the price, because I know some of you are wondering. And here's for extra attachments here. Put some extra bars, some more attachments in the back. Wow, that's a nice big one, isn't it? Alright. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. Be sure to sub me now. Bye-bye.